Since the start of Russia's special military operation in Ukraine, Western countries have imposed batches of sanctions on Russia. Analysts have warned of potential huge consequences and spillovers, and some have raised doubts over the specific sectors in Russia subject to the sanctions by the US.
يعني رأينا أن العقوبات كانت مثلا على بعض المصارف الروسية وليس كل المصارف. المصارف التي تتعاطى بتغطية أموال النفط والغاز في روسيا لم تخضع لسويفت، لعقوبات منعها من السويفت، كما أوروبا لم تشمل عقوباتها على النفط. يعني الانتقائية هي فقط لمراعاة مصالح أوروبا وأمريكا في العقوبات.
What's interesting about the United States sanctions is they're all sanctions on things that don't really matter to the United States. Russia is one of the world's largest suppliers of uranium. And it actually gives 50% of USA's own requirements for uranium, and it needs those to run its nuclear power plants from where it gets its electricity from. So on issues which actually matter directly to the United States, the US hasn't imposed a ban.